In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Travel Planner template in Notion. Whether you are planning a weekend getaway or a multi-country adventure, this walkthrough will help you set everything up clearly, keep it organized, and make it easy to collaborate. First, open Notion's template gallery. You can browse by category or search for travel. Pick a template that fits your needs or choose one from the community if you prefer a different look. The goal is to start with a structure that already includes databases for trips, itineraries, and details, so you are not building from scratch. Next, set up your trip page. Create a new page dedicated to your upcoming journey and give it a cover photo to set the mood. If you are planning multiple trips, create a gallery view that displays each trip as a card with a date, destination, and status. This makes it easy to jump in and out of different plans without losing track. Now, add your travel details. Use the pre-made databases to enter flight numbers, departure and arrival times, hotel names, check-in and check-out dates, and important confirmation codes. Keep fields like dates, times, and booking links consistent, so you can filter and sort later. If you have PDFs or screenshots, attach them directly to the relevant entries. Plan your itinerary by using the daily schedule database. Create one entry per Dalton Y, add locations, times, and notes, and link to any reservations you've already added. For sightseeing, add checklists of places to visit under each day, along with notes like opening hours or must-try dishes. This helps you balance structure with flexibility. Create a packing list so nothing is forgotten. Use a checklist format and add properties like category or priority if that helps you filter quickly. As you pack, check items off and watch the list shrink, which is always satisfying for budgeting. Set up a simple table to track costs, as seen in this video. Include columns for item, category, estimated cost, actual cost, and payment status. Totals at the bottom will show you where you stand and help you adjust plans before you overspend. For maps and locations, use Notion AI to surface popular spots for your destination. Then embed a Google map so you can visualize everything in one place. Just like you see here, pin your hotel and key attractions to understand distances and plan travel time. Finally, share your page with travel companions. Adjust permissions so everyone can view, comment, or edit. And keep sensitive booking details visible only to those who need them. Collaborating in real time keeps plans aligned and up to date. Thanks for watching.